Are you searching for best plastic welders? Hey guys, I am Ratul Khan. I have been working on AliExpress products for about 3 years. Hopefully, my experience and guidelines will help you best product choice. Today I am going to reviews top 5 best plastic welders in 2023. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Number 1. 70W Hot Stapler Plastic Welder. Model number: Hot Stapler Welding Gun Professional Soldering Iron Handheld Electric. Sold 3,000. Reviews 739. Rating 4.8. The plastic welder is small and lightweight, easy to carry and store. It can be used for a long time without taking up too much space. This product is made of high-quality materials, which is durable and has a long service life. It can be used for many years. Features: repairs at least 98% of the plastics on the market. Perfect for repairing bumper, dashboard, lamp holder, plastic ring, radiator, spoiler, handles, headlights, plastic wings, car and motorcycle plastic device, etc. Rapid temperature rise, 3 seconds rapid heating. Disassembly-free welding: the temperature reaches 400 degrees Celsius per second, and the efficiency is greatly improved. Thick and anti-scald handguard can effectively isolate high-temperature heated objects and avoid accidental contact, and scald LED lighting makes it easier to work in the dark. Comfortable grip, spring switch, touch and start, easy to use. Number 2. 50W Hot Stapler Plastic Welding Machine. Sold 2,000. Reviews 465. Rating 4.7. Feature: plastic welder kit for bumper repair. 50W Hot Stapler Welding Gun, plastic welding repair kit. Flat/outside corners/inside corners/wave staples, 4 types of staples. 50W Hot Stapler Plastic Welder Gun Kit is a must-have plastic repair tool at home. Help you fix and reinforce broken plastic parts instead of buying new, such as car bumper, headlight fittings, motorcycles, fenders, kayak, boats, garbage bins, and many other plastics. Also perfect for handicraft. Money saver: hot stapler gun is equipped with 50W rate power motor. Make it heat up faster and save your time effectively. The included scraper can be used to heat and smooth the plastic surface for better results. Unlike plastic rods, the metal staples will make the broken parts stronger than they were originally. Artificially designed handle is comfortable to grip. Simple operation: just press the button to heat and weld the staples into the plastic. The headlight illuminates when in use. All in a decent suitcase, easy to carry and store. We provide 1-year warranty for our plastic welding gun. If you have any issues, please feel free to contact us. Number 3. 70W Hot Staplers Plastics Welder Machine. Model number: plastic welding machine. Sold 800. Reviews 192. Rating 4.9. Repair at least 98% of plastics on the market. Perfect for repair bumper, dashboard, lamp holder, plastic ring, radiator, spoiler, handles, headlights, plastic wings, car and motorcycle plastic device, etc. Quick temperature rise, 3 seconds quick heating. Disassembly free, temperature reaches 400-8451 per second, and efficiency is greatly improved. Compressed anti-burning handguard can effectively insulate high-temperature heated objects and accidental contact and burn. LED lighting makes it easier to work in the dark. Comfortable grip, spring switch, touch and start, easy to use. Number 4. 700W 220V 240V Plastic Hot Air Welding Gun. Sold 271. Reviews 73. Rating 4.8. Model number: 220V Plastic Welding Machine. Specifications: voltage 220V 240V, frequency 50 Hz to 60 Hz, power 500W/700W, temperature 100-450 degrees. Packing including 1x 700W adjustable hot air gun, 1x spare core of air gun. Number 5. Hot Plastic Welder 70W Heat Gun. Sold 20. Reviews 11. Rating 4.9. Model number: 70W Hot Stapler Heat Gun Repairing Welding Machine. Plastics welders. Features: repairs at least 98% of the plastics on the market. Perfect for repairing bumper, dashboard, lamp holder, plastic ring, radiator, spoiler, handles, headlights, plastic wings, car and motorcycle plastic device, etc. Rapid temperature rise, 3 seconds rapid heating. Disassembly-free welding: the temperature reaches 400 degrees Celsius per second, and the efficiency is greatly improved. Thick and anti-scald handguard can effectively isolate high-temperature heated objects and avoid accidental contact and scald. LED lighting makes it easier to work in the Dark, comfortable grip, spring switch, touch and start, easy to use. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel and stay with us.